Good morning to all. Our journey to Ooty started from Banglore, which is around 280 kilometers away. We left early in the morning around 5:30. The newly constructed Bangalore-Mysore highway, it's helped us to reach Mysore by 7:15 am. We took a small break in Mysore and we had our breakfast from Mysore A2B hotel. The route from Mysore to Ooty via Bandipur and Masanagudi is one of the most scenic route in South India. As you leave Mysore behind and start driving towards Bandipur, you will pass through several small towns and villages, which offers a glimpse of the rural life in the region. The Bandipur National Park is a major attraction on this route. It is a beautiful wildlife sanctuary that is home to several endangered species, including tiger, elephant, and Indian bison. As you drive to the park, you might get a chance to spot some of these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. It is common to spot deer and elephant as you drive through National Park. We spot an elephant and her baby. It was a truly special moment. After driving through the scenic landscape of Bandipur National Park, we soon arrived at the Mudumale forest area. The transition from one park to the other was seamless, and we were eager to explore the dense forest and observe the wildlife in their natural habitat. Here you can see a board visit again Karnataka. Now we are going to enter Tamil Nadu limits. And also we need to cross a river that marked the border between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. And now we are going to enter Nilgiri district. This is after this bridge starts Nilgiri district. As you leave Bandipur behind, the road starts winding through the hills and the scenery becomes even more stunning. This is Tapakadu. We need to take a left from Tapakadu towards Masanagudi. Masanagudi is a small town that is in the foothill of Nilgiri mountains, and it is a popular stopover for tourists on their way to Ooty. The town has several resorts, lodges and restaurants. The roads from Tapakadu to Masanagudi is known for being narrow and winding, so drivers should exercise caution and drive carefully. While the route is scenic and offers stunning views of surrounding mountains and forests, it's important to prioritize safety and drive at the moderate speed to avoid potential hazards. From Masanagudi, the road starts climbing up the hills and the air becomes cooler and fresher. The drive through the winding roads of the Nilgiri mountains is an experience in itself, with several hairpin bends and breathtaking views of the valleys below. And when we finally reached the top, we were welcomed with a breathtaking sight. The town was blanketed with a thick layer of mist, and a gentle rain added to the beauty of the scene. Here I can see so many people are tempted to stop over the hairpins. However, we want to remind all fellow travelers to exercise caution while doing so. And stopping your vehicle suddenly can be dangerous for both you and other drivers. Around 11 o'clock in the morning, we reached Ooty and we went for lunch. We had a pleasant and delicious lunch from A2B Hotel. It is situated in Commercial Street, Ooty. So if you are looking for a vegetarian restaurant, this is the best option for you. Finally, we arrived at our accommodation for the trip. The property is truly a gem, offering breathtaking view of surrounding hills and valley. The rooms were spacious and comfortable, and beautifully designed and well furnished with all the amenities. Actually, we decided to book an entire villa to ourselves for added comfort and privacy. After much research, we settled on Anvis in Hollywood Hills. The main highlight of the villa was undoubtedly the stunning views it offers of the surrounding hills and valley. The staff at Anvis Inn were warm and hospitable, always ready to help with anything we needed. The property also had a lovely garden where we could relax and soak in the scenic beauty of Ooty. Our day of sightseeing in Ooty began with a visit to the botanical garden. However, we were disappointed to find that the garden was overcrowded, which distracted from our experience. The famous government botanical garden situated in the heart of the Ooty. It is spread over an area of 55 acres and was established in 1847, making it one of the oldest botanical gardens in the country. The garden is home to vast collection of plants and trees. After spending some time there, we decided to leave and try a different garden. Then we visited Karnataka Garden, which is located 3 kilometers away from the botanical garden. It is the second largest garden in the hill station of Ooty and among the must include places in Ooty tour packages. Karnataka City Horticulture Garden was developed by the Horticulture Department of Karnataka to pave the way for interstate cooperation through tourism. It spread across 38 acres. The garden was established on land which was once the property of the Mysore Kingdom and gifted to the Karnataka government by the Maharaja in 1964. The garden was inaugurated in the year of 2018 and is relatively a new tourist attraction in Ooty. The vast area provides a good play area for our children. The major attraction of this garden is an art of giving shape such as animal, birds and other models to thick plants grown in the garden. The various varieties of flowers being grown in 50,000 pots will be the added attraction to this garden. The beautiful flowers grown in the garden can have a calming effect on the mind and bring joy to those who see them. Due to the rain, we had to cut our site visit short and return to our room. We were all tired from the long journey, so we decided to get some rest. Early in the morning, I woke up and I went for a walk. It was a great experience to walk through the beautiful hills of Ooty. After walking around, I stopped to have a cup of coffee. It was one of the best coffee I have ever had. In the cold climate, having a warm cup of coffee gave me a great pleasure. On the second day of our trip, we began our journey by visiting Nature Awareness Center, which is located in Kern Hills. So this location is known as Kern Hill Nature Awareness Center. We need to take a ticket from this counter and we need to go inside. As we entered Nature Awareness Center, we saw so many bisons. The Nature Awareness Center also featured an informative museum which showcased the rich biodiversity and cultural heritage of the Ooty region. As we entered inside, the various animals that has been preserved through taxidermy. These taxidermed animals provides us with a close-up look at the incredible diversity of wildlife found in the region. As we moved from one display to another, we were fascinated by realistic presentation of each animal. It was a unique opportunity to observe these creatures up close and gain deeper understanding of their physical features and characteristics. Here we encountered a captive artificial demonstration of Western Ghats, a mountain range that stretches along the western coast of India. This demonstration allows us to gain a deeper understanding of the unique ecosystem and geographical features found in this region. Walking through the artificial demonstration of the Western Ghats, we witnessing the cultural display of Thodas. Thodas are the indigenous tribes that resides in the Nilgiri hills. The hanging bridge and watchtower are some of the attraction in the center. Walking on the bridge can be an exciting and thrilling experience. The watchtower is located about 700 meters away from the center, and it offers a panoramic view of the valley and the surrounding hills. Climbing up to the top of the watchtower is a bit of a hike, but the view from the top is definitely worth it. After our enjoyable time at the Nature Awareness Center, we embarked on our journey towards Avalanche to witness the breathtaking Emerald Lake. On the way, we can see the famous Good Shepherd School. These institutions are well known for their commitment to providing quality education. The Good Shepherd School in Ooty have a long-standing reputation for excellence in education, established by the Good Shepherd Knowledge Village. Here we can see a rally. The rally was a lively and colorful procession with participants dressed in traditional attire. The sound of the rhythmic drum beats and the chants of devotees filled in the air. Along this route, you will come across several viewpoints that offers breathtaking panoramic view of the surrounding landscape. We can see so many farmlands in this route. The fertile soil of the region is ideal for cultivation, and farmers here primarily focus on growing crops such as carrots and potatoes. The view of these farmlands served as a reminder of the agricultural heritage and the importance of farming in the region. Finally, we reached Emerald Lake, but due to the rain, we cannot explore much in here. We need to travel around 20 kilometers from Ooty town to reach here, and the Emerald Lake is located in Emerald village. The lake is an important tourist and picnic spot in the region. On the way back to Ooty, we visited a carrot processing unit. Here you can see this plant. There are so many trucks that are unloading the carrots. The processing starting from here. While unloading from the truck, one person is cleaning the carrot by pumping the water. These unloaded carrots are going through a conveyor belt. It's directly going to a drum. There is the main washing process ongoing. The water is pumping to the drum, and while rotating, the carrots get washed and it's coming out through another opening. You can see two ladies are removing the bad carrots. The rotted carrots are removed and the leaves and other things are separated from here. Then here you can see another conveyor belt that is taking up all the carrots to another washing section. There are also one process ongoing, complete washing ongoing here, and it's coming out to another end. There are so many people are working here. Here they are mainly doing separating the carrots by size. Big carrots are directly going to the packet, and another small carrots are they are separating from there and they will transfer it to another section for packing. So all the big carrots are directly going to the packing. So two people are packing this and they will check the weight and they will seal the packet. After packing, all these bags are directly coming to the local market. After experiencing the breathtaking landscape of Ooty, we made the decision to return to Bangalore. But this time we opted for a different route, taking us through Kotagiri, Mettupalayam, Erode and finally back to Bangalore. Kotagiri is situated at the altitude of approximately 1793 meters. It is the oldest and third largest hill station of Nilagiri district. Next on our route was Mettupalayam, a vibrant town located at the foothill of Nilagiri. This bustling hub serves as the gateway to an enchanting train ride on the famous Nilagiri mountain railway. The toy train journey from Mettupalayam to Ooty is a delight for the senses. This is one of the famous viewpoint of Mettupalayam town. While you are coming down from the Kotagiri, you can see this place. You will get a wonderful view of Mettupalayam town from here. Mettupalayam is a municipality town, headquarters of Mettupalayam Taluk. It is situated in Coimbatore district. It is the third largest town in the Coimbatore district. After Mettupalayam, you will get a wonderful road to Bangalore. It's a 4-line highway. So around after 7 to 8 hours journey, we reached Bangalore. Thank you for watching the video.